Tea and morning are like intimate friends who always exist together. Can you imagine yourself being productive in the morning without tea or coffee? For most people, the answer would be no. My morning with tea and books go back a long way. Right now, I am reading Bond's short stories. A few days ago, I even wrote a short essay on Substack, and it went something like this. I read The Room of Many Colors by Ruskin Bond. Reading his stories feels like a heart that was once full of something is now having a void, and in which a sadness of attachment has started living. It's in a motion, same like when you dip a spoon into butter, move it down and then up, and it results in a spoonful of thin little circular butter. The breeze of that attachment starts digging into my heart, and the scream of melancholy travels to the other parts of my body through the blood. I can't define the feeling, I have only given the description what I feel. If you have any little title to put, tell me in the letter box, aka comment box. Now, a new journey, a new struggle is about to begin, and that is graduation. Though, in a way, I had already started because in the race of time I am 3 years behind. That time will never come back, but those 3 years taught me a lot: the art of thinking, the eye to truly see, and the heart to feel. In other words, a new life. अमीर मिनल साहब once said, शौक़ दीदार अगर है तो नज़र पैदा करो. And with this message pressed to my heart, I am moving forward. No one knows what will happen. I want to do something in humanities, but after 12th I lost 3 years preparing for NEET. After losing, I chose what I love and turned towards humanities, sociology, political science, and history. I am doing my honors in sociology. With that, today's post and video comes to an end. We will meet again right here in the same way, smiling and cheerful. Thanks.